Okay, so when it comes to JOT form, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log in, and you can see my screen is a little bit blurred because this is my active account here. And then there's this orange button there that says Create Form. And so what you're going to do is you're going to create a form. You're going to create a blank form just like that, and I'm going to call it Shine Bright, because that's what it's going to be called, just like that. And then what I do is I have this example right over here, this Shine Bright example, and I'm just going to start putting the elements all together here for this. So let's just continue on here for a second. So what I'm doing is I'm going to look for the heading, and the heading is going to be, here it is, Shine Bright, just like that. And then I can drag and drop my first question. So there's the element form right here. And what I'm going to do is I want the person's full name. And I can add a logo up there, and actually I'm going to do that. So I'm going to put it, it's going to be under pictures. So you can see what I did is I found the logo, and then I'm just going to center the logo so it looks like that. I'm going to put a name and email. I'm going to continue with the elements. I'm going to put an email down right there. It's just drag and drop, very, very simple. So name, email, and we're going to put a phone number because I think it's important that we phone. So they put Shine Bright event. Let's just say put it discover your inner star. Capitalize all the letters here, and I can do some properties like this, and I'm just going to make sure that I center it like that. There's no subheader. Pretty simple stuff. And there's no date picker. What we're going to do is we're going to have a submit button. So anyone who's interested, put their name, their email, and the phone number, and we're going to follow up, and we'll collect payment from them on that specific day. If you have a PayPal button, what you can do is you can go to your payments, and you can put PayPal down here, just like this. And then you have to integrate the PayPal account. But for this particular example, we're not going to use PayPal account. We're just going to make the name, email, and phone number, and then submit. And what we'll do is we'll change the submit button right here, and we'll call it register, just like that. And I'll make it to the left a little bit there, so just like this. And then so that there is now done. Now what I want to do is I want to do some settings. So there's going to be emails, and it's not going to be my email that it goes to or the company's email. It's going to be another autoresponder email that we're going to write. Oh, that's going to be what the recipients are. So let's just go back 1 second. We're going to add an email notification. And what we'll do is we're going to get rid of this email notification here. Actually, we'll just do a second one. Let's go right back. And then so what we do is we have the company, and then we have the person who's doing the JOT form, and then we have them sending directly to a page, what's a thank you page. And what you can do is you can do to a redirect of an external page, but we'll just leave it like that for a thank you page. Now the form is done. So we'll just go like this. Have a preview of it. There you go. Pretty simple. All right, so that's the form we're going to use. There's the form example. You just send this to people. You can fill the form in, and people will be able to register and get this over to you. Okay, take care.